stop. I'm not sleeping in this thing. Where are you gonna sleep then?
This ain't no tent. It's gonna be a blanket. It's a giant sleeping bag.
Sleep in the car or something.
Hey, all you gotta put the tire, man.
Hey, that's a hook right there.
All this talk about hook.
Yeah, I don't. It feels like I'm supporting this tent a little too much.
That's why I'm not sleeping in this tent. I'll be supporting this. Very nice.
Okay, you want me to let go? Do you see what that is?
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
That is not looking so good.
Here, if you go like that.
No, I'll do this like this, please. Wait, I think that you have to, this is for the steak.
Why does it keep going down?
I think something doesn't look right.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Michael.
I gotta take a look at this thing from the outside.
No. I'm sorry, but there's a little hole in there. I wonder if you hook this in that little hole.
What hole?
There's a little hole in the center.
You have to.
How can
You have to.